Imagine walking into your classroom or meeting room and feeling an immediate surge of engagement, surrounded by a setup that doesn't just display your ideas, but brings them to life. This isn't just a dream. It's the exact reality waiting for you with the 55-inch SmartBoard digital interactive whiteboard, a marvel of modern technology built for dynamic classrooms, corporate offices, and collaborative home spaces. With this incredible display, you can now experience ultra-responsive 4K touch capability, dual operating systems, and absolute versatility, all while revolutionizing how you present and share ideas.
So let's dive into the hardware. At its heart lies a powerful setup featuring 8 gigabytes of RAM and a massive 256 gigabytes of storage, powered by a built-in dual system of Windows 10 and Android 11. This means you get the best of both worlds: instant Android app access for quick whiteboarding and the full power of Windows 10 for heavy professional software. The breathtaking 4K touchscreen delivers crystal clear visuals and buttery smooth multi-touch interaction. Whether you're annotating lesson plans, running remote video conferences, or brainstorming business strategies, this electronic board handles it effortlessly. While it requires its own wall mount or floor stand, since it's the board-only version, its unmatched versatility makes it the ultimate collaborative hub. Step into the future of interactive communication and elevate your workspace today.